watching Daisy's Recipes Kitchen. My younger daughter is going to prepare something. I don't know what. She will tell you.
I'm going to prepare a blueberry shake. Of course, you might have drunk blueberry shake quite a lot of time, but this one's quick and easy. So if you want to impress your mother on this Mother's Day, go for the shake. Let's start making the recipe. Let's first look at our first ingredient. Look, it is 2 tablespoons blueberry crush. The second ingredient, 4 ice cubes. If you want more chilled drink, you can add more ice cubes. Then, milk. And it is 1 cup milk. And now I'm adding half cup homemade vanilla ice cream. And the link of this video you can see below in the description box. Although I'm adding the vanilla ice cream prepared by my mother, but how does it matter? I am preparing the shake, am I not? This will of course increase the taste. Now put the lid and blend it. I just want more blueberry crush in it, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of blueberry crush. Hey guys, now it's looking the perfect shade of blue as I need it. So now I'm pouring the yummy shake into my mother's favorite glass. I'm adding some of the foam in it. I'm adding a little bit of blueberry crush over it to make it even more beautiful. Guys, this mouth-watering shake looks ready to enjoy. I hope you like the recipe. And of course, you'll make it for your mothers on this Mother's Day. If you like the recipe, hit the like button. And of course, comment on DDC recipes, share as much as you can. And for such wonderful videos, subscribe to DDC recipes.
So yummy. Really very yummy. Guys, just prepare this Mother's Day, this blueberry shake for your mothers. I'm 100% sure she will enjoy it. This shake is prepared by my daughter. Thank you, Rita.
Welcome.
Bye-bye. And if you have liked this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to DDC Recipes. And yes, don't forget to press that bell icon for more recipes.
And of course, you'll get my recipes in between.
Oh, she's prepared for mother or for herself? Just see. She's
You just said it now, okay? Creators, winners.
सर्कल में दिखने वाले इस DDC रेसिपीज के लोगों को भी आप क्लिक करके सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। गुड बाय। हेल्दी रहिए, खुश रहिए।